morning and welcome to this week's Moment of Clarity. Today I want to talk about the domino effect. The domino effect is the idea that when one thing happens, it leads to several other things happening and then the final outcome. Each of us has a domino effect going on in our daily lives, both on personal forefronts and on the business forefront. I want you to think about what is the result that you want to have and what is the first domino for that. What is the one thing you need to do to set the plans in motion to get you where you want to go? Is it a morning routine and waking up? Is it a workout? Is it drinking a big glass of water? Is it reading something motivational or inspirational for you? You can create the end result, but it all starts with that first step. So what is your domino and how can we get that going forward today? Have a great week. I'll see you next time for our Moment of Clarity.